Morning everyone, it's Monday morning. I got a sale going out here for $20. The DVD CD rack that we picked up the other night in the garbage. I took the day off work today for my regular 9 to 5 job, for the holiday, since it was on the weekend. I might be doing a few things here today. I'll let you know. Alright, I'm back. That was a $10 sale. I was wrong. It was not $20. I had it listed at 10. So that's sold. It's out of here. So first $10 for the day is in. Living life on the edge this morning. I just went down and met that person. Did not have my truck registered yet, even after what happened last night. I'm going in right now. I made it back, no problems. I'm going in right now to get on the computer, get online, and do my registration so that I don't have any further issues. Alright, it's about 2 o'clock. We got our next Facebook Marketplace sale of the day. This is the puppy gate that we picked up in the trash the other day. It's in one of our videos. So we'll head down and see if we can get the $20 for this. Okay, we got the puppy gate sold, $20. That was in one of the things we picked up in the trash in an earlier video this week. So that's a good profit on that, 100% profit. So see what else we can get sold today yet before we go out trash picking later tonight. Alright, we're gonna check out these chairs here. Gonna pass on those. Just too many of them and not in the best of shape. Alright, let's see what we got here. Take these chairs too, I think. I don't know, they're pretty faded. Nah, I'm not gonna take them. I think I might take this snowblower, check it out. It's in pretty bad shape right here in the corner. I think I'm gonna take it though. Still want that. Alright, gotta check out this table. It's a pretty nice table. No, maybe not. Nope, definitely not. It is an art table. Check out this table. See what we got here. Well, we got a stroller wheel to this stroller, which is a little alarming. this up. I can tighten these chairs up and clean that up. Wheel, that's broken. Alright, I'm going to take the base so I can sell that. Alright, I think that's all that I need. Alright, I got some rain starting here. No thanks. I don't normally get vacuum cleaners, but this is a Dyson, so I'm gonna see what the heck is going on with it. Since it's a Dyson. Just happened to be driving back past the house that had the kids table and the car seat base, and I decided that I'll just take the car seat as well. Maybe somebody will want that along with the base. Normally I don't take these, but why not? Let's just see what we got. Oh, I think it's missing a leg. That's really cool. Too bad it's missing a leg. Man, it's really starting to get stormy out here. No, thank you. And some computers, huh? No, I don't need any computers. Not sure what's in this bin. Doesn't look like anything good. Alright guys, I'm back. It started raining like crazy when I got back, so I wiped some stuff down here, but some stuff's still wet and it's scattered all over my garage. The one item that's not even in here is the wicker chair. It's outside, so that's not going to be in the recap, but we got the wicker chair. We have this handy manny table, kids table and chairs. It's in okay shape. I mean, it's not that great. Maybe I'm gonna ask $10 on it and see if I can get it. It's I'm gonna tighten up the bolts and you know, just see if I can get that. Then going around to the Dyson, we have the Dyson vacuum that we picked up. I don't usually do vacuums, but I wanted to just check it out since it is a Dyson. I wanted to see what's wrong with it. I see there's a splice in the cord. So maybe we can get it working. If not, maybe we can even, like, you know, sell some of the parts for a Dyson on eBay. So I'll explore those options and see what we can do there. I picked up this little red chair. I have no idea why. Just grabbed it. It was kind of cute for a kid's chair. So we'll see. Maybe $5 on that. I grabbed the base for a car seat and then went back for the actual car seat itself. So I'll list those and see what we can get for those. I can usually get $20 or $30 for a base, so maybe I'll list it for $40 and see if anybody, you know, I'm even happy with 20 out of it, so whatever I can get from that. I got this red table. It's got sides that fold up on both sides, so that's a pretty nice little table. It looks like it's been painted, probably a project table. I might put $20 on that and see where it goes. Also, then we got the snowblower. So the snowblower is pretty darn cool. It's an MTD. You know, it's a small snowblower. It's not like a big one. So it's 21 inch. I'm not sure. There's a key in it. I haven't tried anything with it, but I figure I'll check that out maybe tomorrow and see if it starts up and if it does anything. Can't really test it without snow, but we can see if the propellers turn and it starts up. So that could be a decent amount. Maybe bigger snowblowers usually go for like 75 to 100, depending on their condition. Some older ones. This one's a pretty newer one. It's not a big one though, so maybe 50 bucks. I'm not sure. I have to do some research on it. So I'll check that out. I'm looking around here to see if there was anything else we got tonight. I think that was it. My garage is a disaster area. Yeah, I think that was it. So those are the items that we grabbed, and we can get them listed tonight, hopefully, and see what we can get sold out of here. Thank you for watching this video. For more exciting trash picking finds, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking our logo in the center of the screen. On your way out, leave us a like and a comment. We will be sure to respond.